Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to build a productivity system for your Android tablet. So the tablet that I'm using is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. So let's start. The first component of this productivity system is Samsung Calendar. So I open the calendar and here you can block your time for each important task. Okay, so you can see I set different blocks for my task. So how you can do it? So first of all, you have to go into menu from here. From the left side you see there are three lines. Just select it. Once you select, the first option over here is year. Okay, so if you select year, it will show you the whole year. Then we have the month option. Okay, so here it show you 1 month, and then we have the week option. So week option is the best because here on top you have different days available on top. Okay, so you can see 17, 18, 19, and here on the left side you have timings also available. For example, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11. So here it is very easy to block your time for each task. Okay, so you can see over here. So how to block time? Okay, what you can do is, you, for example, I want to set for 11 and I want to set it for between 7 to 8. I just select this box. I just select this plus icon, and here you can give it any title for your task. For example, I want to give it a title of study, let's say study physiology. So here you can see you have the option to set the time as well. Okay, so here you can see, then you have the option of repeating if you don't want to repeat. If you want to repeat, or you can set it for all day, but I want to set it only between this time. And here you can select any color. For example, I want to select this green color, and then I save it. So here you can see the task has been set for that specific date and for that specific time. The next thing that I want to mention here is you can also sync your Samsung calendar with Google Calendar as well. So here you can see there is a Google option as well. So I already sync it. So whatever work I do, whatever task I save in this Samsung calendar, it will automatically save into the Google as well. So I will minimize it. Okay, and now I will turn on the Google Calendar. So here is the Google Calendar. So I open it. So here you can see all my tasks which I save in the Samsung calendar. It is already synced in the Google Calendar. So this task I just made it, so you can see it is also available in the Google Calendar. You can also access it through your Gmail account. Okay, so for example, I want to open the Gmail account, and here I go in the menu, and here you see there is option of Google Apps, and here it is showing you the calendar option. So if I select the calendar, it will also open the calendar over here as well, and you can access it from your Gmail as well. So guys, calendar really helps you to take all the stress away from you. You can order and organize your life based on tasks on calendar. It is the best thing to put all the stuff that you need to do. You can block your time for each important task. The next app in this productivity system is Microsoft To Do. Okay, so I will open this app. So guys, you can write down the most important task that you want to accomplish in a day. So for example, it is very simple. You see this plus icon, just select it. You can add any task. For example, I want to attend lecture. Okay, attend lecture at 9. Okay, so I will put over here. Okay, so I just write it down, I press done. So it will be available over here. So once I finish with this task, I just select it over here and it will be cut off from my list. So you can do it on day-to-day basis. Write down all your important tasks, and then once you finish it, you can just select it and it will cut off. On the left side, you can see you can create different lists. Okay, so for example, I create a list of emails. So here you can see send assignment email. So here you can write down different tasks related to the emails. Okay, and if you want to create a new list, you just select from here this plus icon, and here you can create any new list. For example, if I want to write a list about notes, okay, I just write notes. So notes list created. Now here I select this plus icon, and here you can put any task over here. Okay, so for example, make study notes. Okay, so I just write over here Okay, and then I press done. So here you can see the task has been written over here, and once I finish this task I just select this, and then you can see it is completed. So guys, you can explore this app. It is really productive app, guys. It is better to put all your tasks in to-do list. The next important thing that you need is a cloud storage. So I use Google Drive. So in Google Drive, you can put all your notes, your files, books, photos, all the stuff you can put in the Google Drive. So even if your tablet has some issue, for example, you erase all the data from the tablet, so all your files, your notes are saved in the Google Drive and you can access them. So if you want to create a new folder or you want to upload a file directly, you can use this plus icon. If you select it, here you have different option. You can create new folder, you can upload a file, you can use the scan option, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So for example, I create a new folder. I just select this folder icon, and here you see new folder option available. You can give it any name. For example, I want to give it a name of study notes. Okay, I just write it down. Okay, and then I create it. So you can see a new folder has been created, and here I will open it. Okay, and here again I use this plus icon. I can upload any file into this folder. So you can use this Google folder to back up all your important data, and it is really helpful in the productivity system. The next important thing in the productivity system is Liner app. So guys, this is basically a highlighter app. For example, you open a website and you see some important information and you don't have time to read all, but you want to save it. So you just use this highlighter app. I will show you how does it work. So for example, you select this plus icon over here, and here it is giving you different option. So first option is highlight on internet. So I just select it, and here you searching something on Google. So for example, you want to search the anatomy of brain. Okay, so here I write here brain. So here is the brain option. So you open this Google search, and here you like some website. Okay, so for example, I select this website, and here you get some important information. For example, you like this information and you want to save it. Okay, so you just select your S Pen, use your S Pen, and just select it like this, and here you see this Liner app icon available. Just select it. So now it is already highlighted and it is already saved in your app. Okay, for example, I close this website, I close everything. Okay, and here you see on your profile it is now showing you the same information that you just highlighted. Okay, so if you want to access this same website, okay, so you can just select this icon, and then you can see the website is now open in front, and here is the highlighted option. Okay, if I close it, it is also saved in my profile, so I can read it later. So here you can see I save different information time to time, so this will be really helpful. We also have the other option. If you select the plus icon, you can highlight on YouTube videos, highlight on PDF, highlight on other app, highlight on Samsung internet. So you can use the other option for highlighting. So this will be really helpful in your productivity system. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.